We're here. Say hi, Sally. Hi. It's kind of windy, as you can tell by my hair going everywhere. And I think I lost my key, my house key. I need to ask at the bar if they saw it, or maybe I lost it in the sand. I don't know.
Which is better.
It's a lot better to lose it in the sand. At least no one saw it, I think. We'll go there?
Yeah.
Boss. It's good. I got the healthy option and Sally got
Another healthy.
yeah. So Sally brought some pistachio.
Some open.
The majority are open. And she wants me to find the ones that still have the seed in it. It's like a treasure hunt. Pistachio form.
It's funny.
She ate the majority of them.
One. Another one. So many.
Wow, so many in the middle of the shells. Okay, at least she's sharing the ones that she has left. Oh, and we didn't find the key.
Oh,
We didn't. I mean, she didn't want to look. I'm here, concerned. Mom, Dad, if you're watching this, I'm sorry, but I tried to look for it and I didn't find it. I tried. It's very windy. We're out of pistachios. She's still looking. I'm sure she's gonna find anything. Okay.
Let's share.
Wait, no. I still have here 4. No, 3. We still have 5. No? How many do you have?
1.
Okay, there's 4 left. 1, 2 for you, 2 for me. Celia is wondering if she could do something that wouldn't be very ethical. But she wants to do it because it's right there and she could. But not sure. I mean, who knows what's gonna happen? She thinks nobody will know. I can't tell you exactly what it is because I think it would be bad and then everyone would know. But I'm just saying that it's something not very ethical. So we decided to change our location because it was too windy, and we came to this side of the beach that is surrounded by sand, and we decided that it would also be great for our circulation, our blood circulation, if we lie down in a with our feet up. And
Higher than our head.
yeah, with our feet higher than our head in this inclined
Position.
it might not seem in the camera, but we're in a very weird position. It's still windy.
But we have a blue sky.
Yeah, it's still windy, but the sky is blue.
And our lunch will be sand.
We're eating sand. It's not bad.
Yeah, it's good for our digestion.
Digest. No, chicken is bad. Chicken is bad.
But the chicken eats sand. Digestion. Yeah.
The things she knows. Chicken eats sand. Okay. I need to put sunscreen on my face.
I have.
And today I brought factor 50.
I have 20.
No, today I have 50 plus. Because yesterday I burned. Is it just me? Or the beach leaves you tired?
I slept until 11 a.m.
I was so tired yesterday. And I thought, it can't be just me.
I spent my whole day in the horizontal position. So how can I be so tight?
Yeah, you do nothing. You come to the beach and you do nothing. Why am I so tired? I don't know. Why? Somebody will have to explain me. You do nothing. You're just lying down.
We walked to the sea
Oh yeah. We walk to the sea. We have
to
a swim.
make pee.
To pee. Yeah. We are very biological. We're very green. We don't go to the bathroom. We go to the sea. Oh my god. No. We don't need paper. Paper is bad. No.
We don't
Recycled
plant trees in the summer.
Yeah, we just go to the sea. No, I don't go in the sea.
In the sand.
Oh, in the sand. But then you have to clean yourself. Oh my god, the sand. So we changed locations again to another remote area, but there's still wind. The wind is following us instead of the sun. We had a photo shoot. It went really well with sand all over us, and now we're trying to decide at what time it would be best to go to the cinema. Well, it's either Despicable Me or Spider-Man. So
We can't run anymore.
and we decided to put our clothes on, but we're still gonna play a game. Uno. We're playing Uno, and to see which one of us will win. I think.
And then
Like,
we'll go to the cinema.
yeah, after that we'll go to the cinema. So who do you think will win?
Me.
I want to win, but I never do. I mean, sometimes I do. Let's see. And this is how you start. Yay! You don't play! Yay! You don't play! Yay! That's a 6. Too weird. No.
Yeah. One.
Okay. No. Uno. Red. Oh, no. Oh no! Blue. No!
I won. I always won.
No. She won. I could have won. I'm so.
Look, the sun.
It's coming back. I could have won.
The sun, come back to my victory.
No.
Yes.
Why am I like this? Why? I could have won.
I don't want to say the words.
You're so nice to me. We're playing again.
Yes, I'm too nice to you.
Too nice.
I'm bringing you to the beach.
Yeah,
Every
that's
day.
true. That's true. Yeah. Let's play again. Okay. This time I'm gonna win.
You are.
So we played 4 games.
Ao contrário.
We played 4 games until you won 3 times. 3 games. She could have been
The winner. The winner.
She's a cheater.
I'm the best player in the world.
She says so.
Well,
They say that bad luck at games, good luck at love. So, but that's not true. I always have bad luck at games, and I'm not in any good luck in love. So,
in the white horse.
yeah, I think he got stuck in a tree somewhere. I have to rescue him. Yeah, I have to rescue him. So we're going.
To the beach.
No,
We are having the cinema.
we're going to the cinema, and then we'll see. So we're going to the cinema now, but we still have about half an hour before the film starts. And what film are we watching? Spider-Man. So we're watching Spider-Man. But we parked.
Spider-Man.
Yeah, Spider-Man. But we parked the car in a place that I'm not sure if we're allowed to. We'll see if we get a ticket or not. Elevator party. Yay. Go Celia, go Celia, go Celia. So, I'm going home now. So we're saying goodbye to Celia.
Bye, Inês.
Goodbye.
It was
Fun. And yeah, we watched the movie, and it was good. I liked it.
Yes, me too.
Yeah, it was good. It was a little bit unexpected. It was different from the previous Spider-Mans, but it was good. It was good. Are we going to see each other again today or not?
Maybe.
Maybe
I
not.
can't be alone without you.
Okay, bye!